Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is your biology teacher Fayaz Ali. Today we are going to discuss about the accessory organs of respiratory system and the process of ventilation. Means how does we get air into the body and how we get the air outside of the body, means inhalation and exhalation. Now we know we have contents in the book and the Google is filled with that. Today we will only discuss and summarize that process. Okay. Now what happens? How does it happen? Before we will study their anatomy, we discussed in last video that there are lungs. Lungs have the respiratory structures or the respiratory surface which are called alveoli. Okay. Now the gas has to come inside and gas is to go outside of the body. Oxygen is to come inside the body and carbon dioxide is to go to out of the body. How does it happen? So there are accessory organs related with that. There are lungs. Along with lungs, there are organs which are rib cage that consists the ribs. Second is a diaphragm. Second is a diaphragm. Now, what's rib cage? Rib cage is the covering in the thoracic region which covers all the vital organs of the body. Now rib cage is made up of C-shaped ribs, semicircular bones which are called the ribs. Ribs are connected ventrally by sternum and dorsally by vertebral column. Now there is few exception. What is that? Ventrally ribs are only from one pair to, there are 12 pairs of the ribs. Okay, from one rib to first pair to seventh pairs are directly attached to the sternum. Sternum is the breastbone. Okay, now 8th, 9th and 10th, three pairs are not connected directly to the sternum bone. Dorsally these are all connected with the vertebral column, but it is only talking about, I am talking about the ventral portion. Now ventrally 8th, 9th and 10th pair is not directly attached with the sternum but consists the helper structure, that is the cartilage. They are attached with the help of the cartilage. So these are called, three pairs are called false bones, false ribs. Okay, now 11th and 12th pair, these pairs are not connected either by cartilages or by directly to the sternum. They are not connected to the sternum. They are fused with the other 10th pair of the ribs. Okay, these are called the floating ribs. Okay, so we have discussed that they are directly connected to the sternum. They are called the true ribs. Which are connected with by the cartilages, they are called the false ribs. Those which are connected with the help of which are not connected with the any of them, these are called the false ribs. Okay, so along with ribs, this makes a rib cage. Along with ribs, between the ribs there are muscles. You will see now coming days in the Eid al-Adha, there when these are slaughter sacrifice of animals, you will see rib cages. So ribs have the muscles. Okay, now these muscles are of two types, and these have much important value are in the physiology of the ventilation process. These are generally called intercostal muscles. There are two types of the muscles: internal intercostal muscles, and this second one is the external intercostal muscles. These are both intercostal muscles, but one are external side. These are called external intercostal muscles. Second are the inside. These are called internal intercostal muscles. So we have discussed one accessory organ, that is the rib cage, associated with the respiratory system. Now second organ which is associated with the respiratory system, that is the diaphragm. Now we will see what is this. Diaphragm is the partition between the thoracic cavity and the abdominal cavity. It is neither a bone nor a cartilage. It is a muscular structure. It is made up of muscles. It is a muscular sheath. Now, what is the function of it? Its first function is to separate the thoracic cavity and the abdominal cavity. Second function is that it helps in the respiration system. Okay, it is generally in the form of dome shape. It is a dome shaped. Okay, but during respiration, its position, its structure changes. So this video is going to be long. In next video we will discuss more about that how does the process of inhalation and exhalation take place. Stay connected with me, inshallah. I will be there in the next video. Thank you.